something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you in my life.
What's good?
Every time I try to go, something keeps telling me that.
It's a lot in the building.
Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you
So
in
deaf
my
in the
life.
building.
It was meant to be.
Yeah, I know what this is.
That's what it means. We gotta make it
It was
work.
all good at first, spending money, going shopping, eating at the finest restaurants, and if on club hopping, she was right there with me, bottle popping, living that life, and she just didn't understand my lifestyle, and that I ain't like that, like every in the world, got your diamonds, got your pearls, but I can't help it if change the lane, be attracting all the girls, baby, I'm a superstar, and that come with it, got a good on your side, you better run with it, even though I'm on the road doing shows, I made time for me and her relationship to grow. They tell me don't trust a woman in this industry, but she not any woman, more like a sacred friend to me. Cause when I'm out of town, I always think of always my conversate with some chicks, but no one I'm above her. Oh, I thought I was your man, guess you ain't understand. And now I'm sitting here looking crazy like damn.
I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you in my life. Every time I try to go, something keeps telling me that everything gon' be alright. Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you in my life. It was meant to be, it was meant for me. So that means we gotta make.
Hey little mamas, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video. For those that are new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So hey girl, what's poppin'? Y'all, today is Monday and I'm really showing out because I really want this video to go out today, but I'm pretty sure I have no footage. Like literally no footage, y'all. I just got home and I didn't even take y'all with me. A lot has been going on today. It's been very fast paced. I didn't even bring my camera, didn't bring y'all with me. We just went to the store, like grocery shopping and things like that, but it's kind of a part of like my Sunday reset. Y'all see me cleaning. I clean my bathroom. I need to clean my room. I need to dust because it's getting very dusty in here. I'm gonna put something on my lips, y'all, because my lips are so dry. Y'all, I went to Sephora. Didn't even take y'all with me, but I got this topicals from Sephora, and y'all, I actually really do like this. I'm really a summer Fridays girl. I probably would repurchase this again, but I really like my summer Fridays a little bit better. This is kind of like on the sticky side, like a gloss. I still do like it, but I really do like my summer Fridays better. So yeah, we probably will get this again, but I'm definitely going to be in rotation with the summer Fridays. You already know. And then y'all, I also got this topicals brightening and cleansing bar. I have the actual what is it, it comes in the tube. It's the like moisturizer one. I have that one, but I'm using this for like my overall body, y'all. So we're gonna take a shower because I've been out all day. Well, not all day, but I just been out. So we're gonna take a shower. I'm gonna use this in the shower. This is like my third day using this. It comes with 2 bars of soap. I think this was like $24. So it looks like this. So it comes with 2 bars. I've already used 1. So we're gonna use that when we get in the shower a little later. And then what else did I get, y'all? What else did I get? Oh, and I didn't even take y'all along with me. Y'all, I have been showing out this week. I didn't even take y'all along with me to my Bumble BFF date. Y'all, it went really, really good. If you watched my last video, I told y'all, I think it was the last vlog. Was my last video a vlog? I think it was the video before that. I was telling y'all that I had a Bumble date coming up. And it went really, really good, y'all. She was very nice. Went to this restaurant because it was Charlotte restaurant week. So we got to go to this restaurant, tried like, they had like a separate menu. We tried their stuff. The restaurant wasn't really giving. We had like oxtail, meatloaf. We had chicken wings. We had greens. And then we had like this bread pudding. It was like sweet potato bread pudding. Yeah, it was okay. Like it just wasn't, I don't know. I probably wouldn't go back there. But we had went there and then we went to this place called, what is it called? Lipsum something, y'all. Oh my god. But it was like a cute little bar, y'all. It was really, really cute. I'm going to insert some pictures. But the vibe in there was really, really cute, y'all. So I definitely want to go back there. Speaking of going out, y'all, I feel like I keep ordering stuff, but I really feel like I need some boots and I really need like going out stuff. I feel like I have going out stuff for when it's like hot outside, but now that it's like winter time, I really don't have like any going out stuff. So I think I'm gonna get me these pair of heels from H&M. Y'all, I really told myself, I said I'm not wearing high heels anymore. It's gonna be giving kitten heels, okay? It's gonna be giving kitten heels, but I don't really know if these heels are giving kitten heels for real. They're called the pointed slingbacks. They're from H&M. It looks like this, y'all. I hope y'all can see the sale. They have a sale going on, so the sale ends in like 10 hours. So what is that? I guess later on tonight or tomorrow. So I don't know, because I think these will be cute with like a wide leg pant, and I have a wide leg pant, y'all. So yeah, because I'm about to be going outside. I'm about to be outside, y'all. I'm not playing these games, okay? Like, I'm about to be outside. Like, I don't want to be outside, but I want to be outside, if that makes sense. So I need to be like dressing a little bit better. And if you know, that was like one of the things that was on my vision board. Like, I just want to dress a little bit better. Yeah, the thing is, I feel like I know how to dress. I just don't know what to, when it comes to like going out, I'm not the best at trying to figure out like what to wear. So I need to find like some inspo pics. And then I saw some stuff on Zara. I saw a pair of boots on Zara, y'all. Oh my god, the boots is giving. Like, it's really giving. So I feel like I want to get these boots. These are so cute. These boots right here. And then the dress that she has on with the boots. Oh my god, so cute. These boots are not getting kitten. Well, are they giving kitten? These boots are not giving kitten heels, y'all. But I still think they're very cute. I just really cannot have like a huge arch. Like, that is my problem, because I have such a flat foot. Like, I do not want to have like a real like deep arch. And these, they're not really giving me deep arch. So honestly, I think I might get these too, y'all. These are not on sale, but I think I'm gonna get these because I have this skirt that is really cute. I could wear this with that skirt and my stockings. Yeah, we're gonna see what it's giving. I just went to Target up on my hygiene. I got me some more of my dry mouth. This stuff really works. I got some more of my regular mouthwash. I got me these. It's like in between brushes. So this can like go in between your brackets. Well, not in between your brackets, but in between the wires and get like the food and stuff out. So I got me some more of these. Then I got me some more toothpaste. This is the extra whitening. Y'all know we're trying to get our teeth white, so I have the extra whitening Sensodyne toothpaste. And then I also got me some more wax strips. Speaking of waxing, we need to wax our chin and our mustache, so we're probably gonna do that as well. What time is it? Yeah, I think I'm gonna have this video go out tonight at like 7:30. So yeah, we're gonna do this before. We're gonna include that in here. So yeah, y'all, that is the vibe. Yeah, I will see y'all a little bit later. So I have on this face mask from Dr. Jart. Y'all see me put it on. It's the one that has collagen in it. This is my first time using the collagen one. We're gonna see what the vibes are. I think this is the collagen one. Is it collagen? I think it's collagen or tightening, something. I can't remember, but yeah, I'm using this one. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to end this video because I need to hurry up and edit so I can go out today. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this on for like 30, it says 30 to 40 minutes, so I'm probably gonna leave this on for like 40 minutes, y'all, because I'm about to go downstairs and edit. And then y'all, have on this foot mask. I know y'all can probably hear it. I have on this foot mask that I got from Boschia. I actually got it out of Marshall's, but it's from the brand Boschia. So it's just like a foot mask that peels the skin. So yeah, we have to have that on for an hour and 30 minutes, y'all. So I'm about to just be sitting with this stuff on while I edit. But tonight is really like a self-care routine for real. So yeah, I feel pretty good. So yeah, this is the end of this video. I have on my Christmas pajamas, even though it's not Christmas. So yeah, I'll probably see y'all in the next video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch y'all in my next one. Peace.